Okay, so my slides is on technologies used to promote 21st century um, teaching and learning. I went ahead and picked some of the apps or technologies that we have used for this class or for previous classes and how I would use them to improve this 21st century. So the first one that I picked is Prezi. Prezi is can help students to think creatively. At the same time, it would allow to work with others since it can also be used as a group activity. So I use that image for creativity, the one on the left, because I think it shows a man's face and it kind of like shows his brain. So I think it has a lot of creativity in it. And the image on the right, I used it for teamwork. The next one, I use Flipgrid, which I think it could be used for communication and collaboration. This will could be used to address areas of communication and collaboration. Like I said before, it will also allow students to express their ideas orally. And there are different purposes that you can use this, such as to inform, to instruct, motivate, and persuade. Flipgrid also allows students to interact with each other and express their concerns, ideas, agreements, or disagreements with one another. And I got this from one of the assignments that we used. I really liked how you could just click a reply and add your comment, and I think it makes it more personal. And I think the kids would really enjoy this. Um, and then finally, Wikipedia. I know Wikipedia is from what I've read, from what I heard, what I'm be told, it's basically like people can enter or edit facts and stuff. So it's a website that could be used in the area of information, media, and technology skills. It can be used more specifically to access information, and it will allow the students to evaluate information and make a decision on the information validity. And then from there, decide whether it's beneficial to whatever it is that they're working or not. And how can students benefit from 21st century teaching? Well, first of all, teamwork allows students to interact effectively among themselves. Number two, students learn to listen and respect different cultures. And number three, it understands diversity. These are not the only things that we can benefit from 21st century teaching, but these are the ones that I decided to concentrate on this assignment or project. And hopefully I was clear and you guys can understand where I'm coming from. Thank you.